Hi Leos, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. This is your love reading. We will see what does your person feel towards you, what are their current feelings, what are your current feelings, and what is the outcome. Now this reading is for 15 days. Not 15 days, this is until 15th of March 2021. So we will see what's happening between you and your person, and I will pull some cards for singles also at the end of this. All right, we will do a small reading on career, we will pull some advice cards, and we will pull some love messages also. We will see what does your person feel about you. So we will do this at the end. Okay, so Leos, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. This will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take what resonates and leave the rest. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter signs. You can check your placements. In case if you have confusion, you can always check your placements. And if you're a cross watcher, you can always reverse the energies. So let's see, Leos, how does your person feel towards you? Now, we have the Two of Cups, Ten of Swords, my Eight of Wands, Temperance, Seven of Wands. I feel, guys, this person right now, whoever you're dealing with, Leos, this is a divine connection. This person is somebody right now, I think you guys are not talking to each other, or there is separation between both of you. I do see separation for some of you. Okay, it is like you both are trying to ignore each other. I don't say complete separation, but yes, I do see that you guys are trying to ignore each other. So that game is on, you know, who chases whom, that kind of scenario. Now your person feels that maybe things are over between you both. So they feel that your person feels, what if Leo has lost interest in them? So they do fear rejection, they do fear losing you, Leo. We have the Ten of Swords here, we have the Hangman here. This person is sad, they are not happy without you. This person is somebody who regrets not treating you right in the past. Now they want to cover it up all, they want to make things right, they want to do things for you. This person wants to do a lot, many things for you, but the problem is this person feels that maybe you have lost interest, or maybe you both are trying to ignore each other, or you are trying to ignore this person. So this person feels that you don't love them, or they fear what if you may have lost interest in them, that kind of energy. Now for some of you, I feel that this person you're involved with, they are not they're going through a lot in their personal life right now. Maybe somebody in their family is not well. Now this could be this person or somebody in their family. So this person is trying to take care of someone in their family who is not well. Now this could be their parents, their sister, brother, they themselves, it could be anything, but I do see that this person is busy right now. Okay, so they are taking care of someone in their family. So this person is going through a lot right now, because of which also they are hesitant, because of which maybe they are not giving you enough time. But more than time, I feel that there is this ego thing that's going on. Who comes first? Okay, so I feel that this person may have ignored you, Leos, in the past, and this has hurt you. And now somehow, you know, if you see, I see the Queen of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. I know that the Hangman in reverse, the Magician in reverse. You know what, guys, Leos, I feel that you are not happy right now. You're just not happy. You're mourning over a loss of a person. You feel that things are over, or you sometimes you feel that this person doesn't care for you. You know, you want somebody to be there for you when you really need them. You want somebody to give you the attention. You want someone to shower you with all the love. You want someone to treat you like princess, or to treat you like a prince, and you don't get that attention from this person. So this is something that is creating a wall between both of you. Okay, so somehow I feel, Leos, you're not happy. You're not happy without this person, but at the same time, you know, you feel that, you know, this relationship is there is, you know what, you feel that there is, you want equal give and take in this relationship. You feel that you have put in a lot of work in this relationship, you cannot do anymore. Okay, that kind of energy. You feel that you cannot do more for this person. You feel that you have been doing a lot towards this person, but now you are not getting anything back in return. So, or you don't get anything, something like this. Okay, so you feel that enough is enough, I can't wait for this person anymore. You are in your power now. You have decided to be in your power. You have decided to be the Queen of Pentacles. You don't want to invest anymore. It's like if this person doesn't take any initiative, or if this person doesn't come towards you, you are not going to go. Okay, or you are not going to invest more, that kind of energy. So some of you, I feel that you have started focusing on your work, on your career. You want to be independent. I know that you feel that this, you know what guys, this person feels that you are like a jewel. Okay, they feel that you are like a God's gift to this person, and so do you both feel that you both are divinely connected. There is a divine connection between both of you, but at the same time things are just not the way it should be. Temperance in reverse. For some of you, I feel that you feel that this person takes forever to talk, or takes forever to come towards you. Okay, so I feel that this person is losing patience now. It's like this person has been waiting for you to take initiative, but now this person is getting restless day by day. Okay, so this person is somebody who is losing their patience. Or I feel that guys, as far as the next action is concerned, this person is going to come and talk to you once. It may take time, but I do see this. You can expect a communication from this person. As far as the outcome is concerned, Leos, I feel that this relationship is at a very difficult place. You feel like giving up on this person. I do feel that you feel like giving up on this person sometimes. You feel like it's not worth investing in this relationship or for this person, and so does your person. They too feel like giving up on you sometimes, but your bond is so strong, Leo. You know, you feel like giving up on this person, and your person knows it. Your person knows that you are not investing enough nowadays. Okay, it's like you may have withdrawn yourself from this relationship a bit, and you are trying to divert your mind. This person feels that maybe you are ignoring them, or you may have left them, abandoned them, or maybe you're ghosting, not talking, not texting the way you used to, not messaging this person the way you used to. So this person is somebody who feels that, you know, you are trying to withdraw yourself, or you are trying to create that barrier between both of you. So this person knows it. So I think this person is somebody who is like, they cannot wait. They're trying to control, but somehow I feel that this person cannot control any longer. So expect a communication, because I do see with the 8 of Wands, Temperance, I do see Knight of Cups, I do see this person coming your way very soon, Leos. Okay, so I feel this person is not going to give up on you. Okay, I do see that yes, they are, you know, they are being slow, or they are not taking any action towards you, or they may have kept you waiting, but I do see that you will hear from them soon. If you are in no contact, expect a communication from this person in the next 15 days or 13 days. And I think this person is going to see clarity. They are going to come talk to you and try to clear things between both of you. Okay, so you're not happy with the way they are treating you, so you don't want to be treated like this. You want somebody who loves you, who respects you, and you don't see that. Okay, you're not seeing that from this person. You want respect, you want love, and you're not getting that from this person, and that is the drawback here. Now, as far as the outcome is concerned, this relationship is on a very, very crucial stage. For some of you, I feel that this person has a choice, so they may be juggling you with somebody else, but whatever it is, I feel that they love you, not the third person. They may have a choice, but then they love you. So this person, just because of the distance between both of you, they may be getting closer to the third party, but their heart is with you. The love is with you, okay? The love is not with a third person. The love is with you. They want you, okay? See, you are in this place, you know, the Empress, Queen of Pentacles. I think you guys really had a very beautiful relationship in the past. It's like this relationship started with a bang. You both had a very beautiful relationship. You both were very close. But then all of a sudden, I do see distance. Now, the distance could be from your end or from their end, or I do see ego clashes also, okay? It's like you expect them to give you the attention and they expect you to give them the attention. Ego clashes is also a thing here in this reading. Now, all of a sudden, you both are behaving like strangers to each other. It is like you do talk but once in a while, you do message but once in a while. It is not the way you used to in the past. So things have gone sour between both of you. However, I see you try. You are trying, Leos. I feel that you do try. Sometimes, once in a while, you do try to communicate to this person, or this person tries to communicate to you. But still, I think things are going to take some time to revive, okay? See, we have these three cards. This relationship has come to a point, Leos, where it's like either you are going to win or you are going to lose. This is like some of you are in this place where either you are going to win this person or you are going to lose this person. Now the choice is yours. That kind of energy. Okay, look at this. Control, heal. So this is, I said, Leos, you are trying to control yourself. It's like, you know, you really love this person. There is no doubt about it. But somehow you feel that, you know, sometimes you feel that, is it even worth investing on this person? This person who doesn't care for me, this person who doesn't call me, this person who, you know, who just doesn't show how they feel towards you. So, you know, you are not happy, Leo. Okay, I do feel that some of you are literally, it's like maybe you're not showing, but you're not happy internally. You're very sad. I said this is like a win or lose situation here. So that is one thing. Some of you are healing because you are emotionally drained. You feel that you invested a lot in this relationship, and what have you got? So you are in pain, you are healing, okay, you are healing, but at the same time, I do see you are manifesting this person. Some of you could be manifesting this person, some of you are manifesting a career, okay, that could also be the thing. See, you both are not happy. If you see these cards have come, this is at your end, this is at their end. Look at this, healing begins and heal. You both are being asked to heal. So there is this separation, there is this distance between both of you. They are not happy without you, you are not happy without them. You both want each other, but you both are not willing to invest enough, or the ego game is there. I do see a lot of ego issues here. You guys have come to a point where you are trying to learn to live without each other because of the separation or the distance that has come between both of you. So you both are trying to learn to live without each other. I do see control issues also. Maybe, you know, one of you is controlling. That is also a thing. This could be you or your person. So one of you is very controlling. As far as I feel, in some cases, if your person is controlling, Leos, you cannot bear it, okay? You cannot be controlled. So this person knows it. So that is also an issue here. So this relationship is at this place where either you're going to win or lose, okay? And your person knows it. They know it, that either you're going to come back or you're going to lose each other. That kind of energy. But as far as the movement is concerned, I still see you both in the same energy, okay? I don't see major movement. As far as the next 13 days or 14 days is concerned, I do see the same energy continues, okay? I don't see any major changes that may happen, but expect a communication from this person. Okay, if this person is not talking to you, you can expect them to call you, because I feel that this person has made up their mind that they are going to get in touch with you. So expect a call or a message from this person if you are in no contact zone. Now for some of you, I feel that Leos, you are going to try. You won't give up on this person completely, but I do see that you have realized that things won't move ahead until and unless you take the initiative. Okay, so maybe I do see communication. So in some cases you will go and talk to this person, and for the others I feel this person will come and talk to you. So yeah, they are being impatient. Okay, so expect a communication from them. For some of you, I feel that it is you also who may realize that you cannot sit and do nothing. So maybe you will try and try to take some initiative towards this person. So it's going to be mutual. It's like you both want to talk, and I do see that happening. So in some cases it is you who may approach this person, in other cases this person will come and approach you. Yeah, you both want to sit and talk and discuss, that kind of energy. So let's see what messages do we have for you, Leos. Let's see what messages do we have for you. Okay, getting to know each other, codependency. Some of you, I think, I do see codependency. So maybe one of you is dependent on each other, or this could be addictions. Okay, addictions are also affecting your life. It could be alcohol addictions or whatever it is, but I do see addictions also. Getting to know each other. I think you both have to sit and talk, because there is a lot that is unsaid in this relationship. So you both will have to sit, talk and discuss. That is very strong here. Now as far as singles are concerned, I feel, guys, that you are in this place where you are wishing for a right partner. It's like you're literally waiting for the right person. You are like, you feel that you have been waiting since so long. You're losing control. It's like you are like, when will I find my Mr. Right or Miss Right? You're literally thinking about being with the right partner. So I do see you very much focused in finding the right person for you. Okay, this is for singles. Now you really want somebody who is the right kinds. 10 of Cups and 3 of Wands. You want this person. 2 of Cups. You want Knight of Cups. You want somebody who is going to marry you. You are looking for a right partner. You don't want any flings. You don't want to get into any short-term relationship. You just want the right person. Okay, singles? So you just want the right person, and you are like losing patience. You are like, I have been waiting for 5 years. When will I find the right person? Okay, but you don't have to worry, guys. Marriage is there. Okay, you are going to find the right person. You are going to find the right person, but you may have to wait for a while. In some cases, I do see that you may have options between 2 people, and you are like, who do I choose? Who is the right person? You are trying to check or trying to know them. You are like, maybe they are your friend, or you're talking to them and you have options. Okay, you're confused. I do see that you're confused between 2 to 3 people in some cases. Yeah. So who is coming towards you? Now singles, I feel that some of you, you're going to meet an Aries, a Leo, a Saggy and a Gemini. So these 4 sun signs are prominent. These sun signs are coming towards you. So I do see these 4 sun signs heading your way. Some of you, I feel that you are going to get a marriage proposal, and this is going to be an arranged marriage. Now this is for very few of you. So I do see a proposal heading your way, and it could be an arranged marriage, some of you singles. Now this is for very few of you, not all of you. So I do see that also. For as far as your job is concerned, I do see some of you, you're mourning over a loss of a job. Okay, maybe you have lost a job or contract and you're very sad about it, mourning over that. And for some of you, I feel that you have got a new job offer already and you're confused what to do. Should you move forward or should you stay back in your current company or something like this? Okay, so I do see you confusion. Maybe you have 2 job offers something like this. Okay, so you're confused, you are in this initial phase of negotiation, so maybe you're negotiating with the current package or something like this. Okay, that is also prominent here. So if you have not got a job, expect a job offer. Okay, I do see a job offer heading your way, Leos. So let's see guys, what are the love messages for you. It's like if your person would want to tell you something, what would it be and how do they feel towards you. Okay, so we will see the love messages from your person. How do they feel towards you and what would they tell you in case they have to say something to you or something like this. Okay, let's see what are the love messages for you, Leos. I'm going to keep these cards. Okay, so this card just flipped. I'm going to take it. I have been hinting to you about my feelings because I'm afraid of rejection. Look at this. I told you this person wants you to take the initiative, Leos. They are afraid of rejection. They feel, what if you have moved on, or what if you have lost interest in this person, or what if you don't want them anymore. So this person literally is trying to give you hints about their feelings because they are afraid of rejection. Okay, now this could be for singles also. Singles, maybe you have met somebody and this person is hinting you about their feelings and they are not approaching you because they fear rejection. That could also be the thing. So let's see, Leos, give me a message. What does your person think about you? How they're feeling towards you? I used to escape my current situation in the past. I said this person is not happy without you. They do miss you, but their ego is coming in middle. They don't want to approach you because of this rejection or because of this fear of rejection. This person has been trying to escape this situation throughout, but I think this person wants to come and talk to you now. Okay, we have the 8 of Wands here, so they are going to take some action towards you, Leos. Being with you is a risk. Okay, some of you, I feel that this person feels that being with you is a risk. I don't know why. Maybe this person is somebody who is a well-known person, or they are famous, or they are somebody who is a known person, something like this. Okay, they feel that being with you is a risk, Leos. Okay, let's see what else. Do you miss me? Sometimes, you know, when they are alone or whatever it is, this person thinks whether do you miss them or not, because they miss you badly. That has come here with the 2 of Cups also. So this person misses you a lot, guys. I'm coming home to you. This person is going to meet you soon, Leos. Okay, they cannot live without you. This person cannot do without you. They are coming to meet you. I want to run away with you instead of running away from you. This person feels like running away with you. Okay, sometimes, because maybe you both are in a relationship which is very complicated from both the ends, and this person feels that they want to run away with you rather than running away from you. Let's see what else. How do they feel about you? I hate to see you close to him. I think this person is I hate to see you close to him or her. This person gets jealous when they see you with somebody else. Okay, so yeah, this person feels jealous when you are with somebody else. I don't know. Okay, I'm heading towards spirituality. This person is a changed person after meeting you, Leo. I feel that this person is somebody who may have been a flirt all this while, or a person who was not spiritual in the past. So after meeting you, this person has changed. I do see that you have brought some change in this person, and this person wants to live a clean life. You know, they are turning towards spirituality, and maybe you are the reason. Maybe you are very spiritual, so maybe you have taught this person a lot. Let's see. I want to sit and eat in front of you. That feeling, oh my god, this person, I think you both have had some good moments in the past. Maybe this person used to visit you and you used to cook for this person, or you used to go out for dinners. This person is somebody who is missing those moments. Okay, this person wants to be with you, eat while you are in front of them. My god, look at this, it's so beautiful. What else? Give me a message for Leos. I want to contact our mutual friends to ask about you. In some cases, I feel that this person is not in talking terms with you. You both are in separation or in no contact. This person wants to get information about you. So I do sense that this person is spying on you either through your friends or something else. Okay, so this person is keeping a very close check on you guys. Okay, so they want to get in touch with your mutual friends so that they get information about you. That is also there. Okay, Leos, you want me to pull some more cards? Let's see what else. How do they feel towards you, Leos? Staying away from you made me realize that this is not codependency, this is love. This card is trying to tell me that this person has realized your value after they went away from you, after your separation. Okay, I think maybe you were not in touch with each other for a long time, and that is when this person has realized your value. This person has realized your value. They've realized that they cannot do without you. So that is for sure. Look at this. They are in this energy of Two of Cups. They feel that you are God sent. You are like a gift from God. So this person is somebody who cannot do without you, Leo. So, but at the end, the problem is you both have to work on this mutually. Look at this, because there is no equal give and take in this relationship. One of you is investing a lot and the other is not. That's the major problem in this relationship. So I think, yeah. So that is it, Leos. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below if this resonates. And that is it. You guys take care, be safe, bye.